about yourself.
Hi, ma'am. This is Pavan. Uh, I have completed my engineering in RMK Engineering College, Chennai, in the background of
Mhm.
EC department with a 6.65 CGPA.
Mhm.
And we are four in our home: myself, my father, my mom, and my sister. My father was an government employee. My mom was an housemaker. My sister was a doctor, ma'am. And my
Mhm.
hobbies, my interests are doing business and in entrepreneurship. I was very interested, ma'am.
Okay, so you completed your BTech, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So you completed your BTech. Then why you want to go with sales?
Uh, while when I was in my second year onwards, I was
Mhm.
very interested. I already told you I was very interested in entrepreneurship and business. So while my second year, I have started my activities in entrepreneurship, ma'am. I was a very active person in my in. We have an entrepreneurship cell in our college, and I was very interested in all this business dealings and all negotiations and purchasing and these stuffs and all, ma'am.
So you are interested in this thing. Then why you wasted your 4 years in BTech?
Now, after when I was in my second year, after my second year or entering into third year, I realized that okay, I was not good in technical stuff, so I was chosen this field.
Mm-hmm. So do you have any prior experience in sales and marketing?
Yeah, ma'am, I have, ma'am. After completing my BE, I was 2020 passed out, ma'am. After completing my
Mm-hmm.
BE, I have started a business, ma'am, here in my hometown.
You have your own business,
Yeah, ma'am, I have a startup, ma'am. It's
startup
an
like
yeah, ma'am. It's an
startup as?
construction materials, ma'am. All it's a small unit of cement factories and cement and hollow blocks. Everything will be made in my factory, ma'am.
So you started your own startup. Then why you want to join Byju's?
That I have started and I have given for my father and my brother, ma'am. Actually,
For
they
your
will be taking
sorry,
care for my brother. I
the
was very
business is for your
interested.
brother.
Yeah, ma'am. For my
You
a little
started
bit
your business for your brother.
for my family sake, it's in a sense.
Okay, okay. So why you want to join sales? Means it is a quite hectic job. Why you want to go
I
with sales then?
I do agree, ma'am. That was an hectic only, but as much as I run, I can get my salary, right, ma'am. Straightforward. And how much I work hard,
Mm-hmm.
I'll get that much. And it was very challenging and too rewarding that too, ma'am. I can learn lots of stuff there.
Okay. So what do you
I'll be
know
work.
about this job role, BDA job role in Byju's?
Byju's will be having daily targets, monthly targets, and all the stuff, while which we have to accomplish every time. That means without any
Mm-hmm.
delay. We have to, although we have to work maximum to the hours which we are allotted. Also, sometimes it might be I have to work a little more also for to fulfill the targets. So I think working in Byju's, I can not only the money earning money, I can grow myself a little bit higher, no, ma'am, with
Okay.
that.
So you applied for which company before Byju's? You applied for any companies?
Yeah, ma'am. Amazon SVS I have applied, ma'am.
You have applied. So are you
Yeah,
selected
ma'am.
on Amazon?
Not yet. Interview haven't done, ma'am.
Okay. So I guess this is your first interview for job, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So what you did in this 1 year means I believe you completed your graduation in the year 2020. So it's now
Uh,
2021 ending. So what you did in this 1 year?
I have told you, no, ma'am. I have started and startup and little bit. Somehow I got an experience on this
Mm-hmm.
all the
Are
business
you
side,
preparing for your
practical.
further studies?
No, ma'am. I was not interested in higher studies and all, ma'am. I think
Not
rather than getting
interested?
no, ma'am. Rather than getting more degrees, I would like to get reality knowledge, ma'am. Reality knowledge is
Okay, cool.
better.
So now, do you know who is the founder of Byju's and
Sorry, ma'am,
what
I
is the
don't know.
establishment year?
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
You
But
don't know
no, ma'am, definitely
establishment year?
no, ma'am.
Okay, no issue.
Definitely I'll go through it, ma'am.
Okay, Pawan. So now I'm going to ask you some scenario based question. Okay,
No issues, ma'am.
ready?
Yeah, ma'am.
So how will you sell air conditioner in Kashmir? How will you sell an air conditioner in Kashmir?
Air conditioner, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, right. Good evening, ma'am. I would like to
Good
introduce
evening.
our new air conditioner, which is eco-friendly, and as well as it was built inverter. And the main functioning of our air conditioner was you'll be having a lots of virus nowadays. We'll be getting lots of virus and the COVID-19 and all the stuff. So this air conditioner, you people need not to purify the air. We'll be using air purifiers nowadays, no ma'am. Most probably. So
So why
we
will I
can't.
purchase your product? Means you know already in Kashmir it's a cold weather every time, 12 months, right?
I too agree,
Nowadays
ma'am.
it's snowfall. So why will I buy your air conditioner?
I too agree, ma'am. But we also have in our air conditioner, it will be getting the heat also. There is an option of getting heat also. Not only the cold,
Heat,
when
mm-hmm.
in a sense hot air. Not only we'll be
Hot air.
getting, yeah, ma'am. Not only it will be minimum of 16 degrees centigrade and a maximum of 35 degrees centigrade also, ma'am, where you can use hot air and 35 degrees in the sense in Jammu Kashmir, our AC
Mm-hmm.
will feel you not that much of cold, and you not need not to fire this campfires and all, ma'am. You'll be warm always. You need not to wear all heavy sweaters and all. And most probably this also purifies your air 100% purify. It will purify your air, ma'am, without any virus entering into your home. Not only the
Mm-hmm.
COVID, any of this viruses will not it won't enter into your home, ma'am. It will be purifying all the time, and it will keep you safe, ma'am. Would you
Okay,
like
now I
to
got
have
your
any inquiries,
point.
ma'am?
Mm-hmm.
Would you like to have any inquiries,
Okay,
ma'am?
I got your point. Yeah, I have some inquiries. Means what happened now? We are three members in our family.
Okay, ma'am.
So my grandparents are also living with us. So is it harmful for my grandparents?
No, ma'am, it won't harm your any age people. It won't harm, ma'am, because it has the latest technology of purifying all the viruses in our home. Also, is there any dust particles in a sense
Mm-hmm.
which will affect your grandmoms and grandfathers' lungs? It will clean all that, ma'am. All that dirty stuffs and all. It will purify it and it will keep you fresh and always clean, ma'am.
Okay, Pawan, I got your point. So Pawan, how will you sell a telephone? A telephone, not a smartphone, not mobile.
Yeah,
How will
ma'am.
you
Yeah,
sell
ma'am.
a telephone? Go ahead.
Telephone. Okay, ma'am. Very good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
May I know which mobile you will be using, ma'am?
Currently, I'm using a smartphone, but I want a telephone.
You want a telephone? Okay, right, ma'am. Look at our latest product, ma'am. This is our 1990s telephone. Without 100%, you won't get any radiation and any headaches and lots of times whenever you speak, how much time you speak with your loved ones or friends, you won't get any radiation, ma'am. It's
Mm-hmm.
100%. It won't give you any harmful rays. Even if you have this mobile, you'll be using smartphones, right, ma'am? If you have your
Yes.
smartphones to your, if you gave it to your children or your grandparents also, if they won't speak also, it might harm them. If you have a kids,
Mm-hmm.
small kids in your home, those smartphones will
Mm-hmm.
harm them. So we would like to prefer
Mm-hmm.
you to use this telephonic, ma'am. These are 1990s model.
But
They,
why will I buy your telephone? Because I cannot carry this for if I'm going outside. I cannot carry, right? So why will I buy your product?
you won't. I talked to ma'am. You can't carry this one, but
Hmm.
even for your comforts, your health concern is more important, right, ma'am? Your children, your grandparents, that's main important, right, ma'am? If you don't, you might not carry this telephone always, but after coming to home, you can speak home with whomever you want, healthily and happily, right, ma'am? So we would like to have a look on it, and please
Mm-hmm.
have a trial first, and then you can proceed, ma'am.
So you're
This
giving
is
me for free.
no, this is not not like that, ma'am. We won't give free. We would like to give a better offer for you,
So you're
ma'am. Not
taking some charges?
yeah, ma'am. We'll be giving better offers for you, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Rather than we will not able to give you free that much. Uh, how much your smartphone will cost, ma'am? Which one you are using right now?
Uh, I'm using Samsung mobile and it's 20,000.
20,000.
Yes,
Uh,
20,000 rupees.
if you don't mind, would you guess how much this telephone costs, ma'am?
Mm, I guess it's 15,000.
No, ma'am. It's just 1/4 of your smartphone, ma'am. It's just 5,000
Mm-hmm.
only. And how much bill you're paying every month, ma'am? Your postpaid bill.
100 per month.
Sorry, ma'am.
1,400 per month.
1,400. Oh
Yes.
my God. Along with your postpaid bills, you're also paying a lot of your health for your health also, ma'am. So you need not to worry, ma'am. You can happily pay only 300 to 400 per month, ma'am. As much as you can speak. I think you are a little bit worried. You can't carry that outside also. After coming to home, happily you can speak as much as you can. Any number of hours you can speak, ma'am. But you won't get
Mm-hmm.
1,400 of bill, ma'am. That assurance we will give you
That's
100%.
good. But if I'm traveling somewhere, so how will I carry this telephone?
That's also that I
Do
to
you
agree,
have
ma'am.
any substitute?
You can't carry this, ma'am. Rather than
Then why
that,
will I buy?
you rather than that you can tell your friends where you are going, or your family friends
Mm-hmm.
where you are going. Before starting, you can call them, and after reaching, also you can call back to your home and you can intimate, right, ma'am. There is an option like that.
Okay.
Rather than
Okay.
this on health issues, mental stress, and all, this is better. I would like to tell you, ma'am.
Okay, Pawan, I got your point. So my next question is to you, like, how will you sell a earphone that one side is working and another side is not working, that is damaged? So how will you buy? How will you convince to buy your product? One side is not working.
To what age person I have to sell this, ma'am?
Just sell to 25 years,
25 years
25
old, right?
years old person.
He'll be listening music more, ma'am, or
Yes,
he'll be he'll be listening music all the time.
I don't know, but you have to say. I don't know what he's listening. He just want your earphone for working purpose or any purpose. How will you sell your earphone?
Right.
Suppose you have your own shop.
Mm, right, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. This is our
Good evening.
new product, uh, earphones.
Hmm.
This one, uh, will you be working all the time, ma'am, or you'll be using less time earphones? Which one would you like to
I'm
prefer?
working. I'm working. I'm working person. So
How
I have
how
to
much
work a
time?
lot.
How much time will? Oh, you have to work a lot. So that I
eight
guess
hours
all
every 8 hours
8 hours
every
every
day
day.
I'm working.
You should be on call only, right, ma'am? I hope so.
Yes.
Okay. In our this product, you'll
Mm-hmm.
be having what? Sorry, ma'am. Should I say this one side was working, or shouldn't I?
Go ahead.
No, no.
You
I
can
have
say.
to
You can say. You can say.
Okay, okay, ma'am. In this type of earphones, this is the recently launched earphones for the workaholics like you, sir, like you, ma'am. Sorry, like you, ma'am. uh, you will be working all the day with lots of stress and all, right, ma'am? With lots of customers
That's
you'll
good,
be
but
dealing.
sometimes my child using this earphone, no?
Right, ma'am. For children also, it won't harm your children, ma'am. See, children's, they'll be using lots of volume, lots of, they don't know how much that we will be knowing 60 decibels we have to use for in our earphones in the maximum level. So they might not be knowing that how much level they have to use. Sometimes if they kept their earphones in on control also, those stuff on the animal geography or any of the animated movies they were watching, the volume will be up and downs, so they can't control that. These earphones will control 100%. They will control the volume levels, ma'am. You need not to worry about your children health or yours health also, ma'am. They have this future of controlling volumes up and downs up to 60 decibels, ma'am, which is very good for your eardrums and also as your health, ma'am.
So
So
do
if
one thing, give me a good quality of your earphone that both sides are working. I don't want this kind of earphone means one side is not working. Give me another one, like both side is working.
no issues, ma'am. I'll show you that also. But I was suggesting you will be working all the times. You'll be speaking lots of customers, lots of people. You'll
Hmm.
be on meetings all the time. So I would like to suggest you these earphones, ma'am. You will be if you are using both sides of the earphone, automatically it will harm. By the evening, you might feel lots of stressed and overwhelmed. So if you use these earphones, one side it will be working and one side it won't be working. So this side uh, you'll be fresh all the time. So only one side you'll be getting stress, and all other sides it will be balancing right now. So if
Are you
you
believe
hear,
is this things working? Are you believe in this thing that these things are working? One side is like not working will be beneficial for us.
100%, ma'am. Like we'll be watching lots of software engineers, like
Hmm.
lot nowadays. Most probably in our parents' time, this much of health issues was not there, right, ma'am? I hope so. Now we are seeing lots of software engineers, lots of workaholics are very mentally they were stressing and lots of depressions and all, and due to this radiations also lots of struggles they
Hmm.
were facing. We'll be seeing all that in our daily newspapers and all. So this will 100% it will balance and it will keep you all the day refreshed, ma'am.
Okay,
That
Pawan, I got your point. Mm-hmm.
you need not to worry about the prices also, ma'am. We will be giving discounts in this festival times rather than for the normal earphones.
How
This will
much
be cheap.
discount you are giving me?
If you buy one earphone, you'll be having 10% of discount, ma'am. If you buy both for you and for your children or for any of your one of your family member, if you buy both, you'll
Hmm.
be getting 15% of discount, ma'am.
Do one thing. Don't give me any discount, but you give me a good earphone in a good condition. Don't give me any discount. I'm ready to pay you any amount. Okay, but give me a good working earphone. Don't pay me. Don't give me any discount. I'm ready to pay you all money.
Rather than paying me all money, why you'll be wasting lots of money for your health concerns, ma'am? That's what my main concern. Not no, you if you'll be in some stress,
Mhm.
that is okay, ma'am. But if it reflects on your children or your family members, that won't be fine. I hope so, ma'am. So I would like to prefer you to use this one-sided earphone, ma'am. That will be you will be always as a mom. You'll be refreshed and you have enjoy with your children as well as.
Okay, Pawan, I got your point. So now I'm going to ask you some academic question. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, ma'am.
Perfect. So, Pawan, tell me how many states in India and UTs, Union Territories?
How many states, right, ma'am?
Yes, states and UT, Union Territories.
I think there are seven. I'm not that much of a study
Sure.
minded, ma'am. I'll go through once. I'll go through and I'll Google it, ma'am. As I already
Any
told that I
numbers,
was
any figures in your mind? How many states you know?
no ma'am. Without knowingly, I don't like to judge that ma'am.
UTs? No, don't know.
No ma'am. Sorry ma'am. I don't know ma'am. I
What is
was
the
not that much
capital
of.
of Goa?
Sorry ma'am. I don't know that ma'am.
Don't know?
No ma'am.
Okay. So what is Newton's second law?
Newton's second law ma'am. Right. F is equal to mc square ma'am.
Sorry?
Force is equal to mass into acceleration, 2 times of accelerations.
Sure.
F is equal to m. Yeah ma'am. Force is equal to mass into acceleration.
What is photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis, the food preparation process of green trees and all ma'am. From sunlight they'll be observing the trees and all will be sunlight where they will observe, and they used to prepare the food for themselves. That's called
Okay.
photosynthesis.
How many colors are in rainbows? Could you tell me in sequence wise? How many colors are in rainbows?
7 colors ma'am.
Tell
Violet,
me in sequence.
indigo, blue, green, orange, yellow, red. Vibjor.
Good. So what is simple interest and compound interest?
Simple interest will it's the normal interest which we have will be paying all the term ma'am. Compound interest in the sense when we are paying the amount, we need not to pay all the interest, and there will be that will, I hope so, that is also called a cut-off interest also ma'am.
What is fraction?
Fraction, any number divided by some other number, that's called a fraction ma'am.
Okay.
Dividend
What is the
of dividend of
volume of cone?
volume of
Cone.
comb ma'am.
Cone. CONE.
Sorry ma'am, I don't know ma'am.
Okay. What is myopia and hypermetropia?
That too, sorry ma'am, I don't know ma'am.
Okay. So Pawan, your academic is not good. So why should we hire you? Means your academic is not so good, then
Academics, academics won't judge anything, no ma'am.
why? How
Academics
academic is
now
not judged? Means if you're
for
not good in academic, then how will you sell your Byju's product?
good communication skills and good
Only communication required in this job role?
I hope so ma'am, not that much of the book knowledge is not that much required, I think so ma'am. Better communication to the parents as well as the children, that's the more important
That's
for a
good.
video.
But when you going, you know, Byju's is the biggest edtech company, right? Learning company, and you don't know about any academic, means so how will you sell your product? Means when you're going to sell your product, you have to counsel kids, right? Rather than parents, you have to counsel kids. So when kids will ask you academic questions, so how will you tackle this thing? Means you are saying academic is not important, books are not important.
I hope when I was speaking with the children, I think it's better to tell them how fun it will be, how animated, how interesting it will be. That is more important, I think so ma'am, rather than asking them
Suppose
what is Newton's second law. Instead of asking
what is Newton's?
no ma'am, instead of asking like that book questions and all, or and making them bored, and children may run away, no ma'am. Instead of that, this much animated movies you can, animated videos like this, like solar system, you can see this.
Suppose the parent is quite strict and he's saying that this BD, I don't know about academics. So how will I go with and how will I trust with this person?
No,
If you're
ma'am.
convincing them fun and 3D animation is good, it's good. But if they're saying if you cross question to you regarding academics, so how will you tackle this situation?
I assure you, ma'am, I don't give that choice to the any parent. Before before facing first parent, I will go through all the steps and I will be ready for facing them, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'm going to ask you some video based question. Okay, video scenario based question.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose the customer is a government school teacher. Okay, and
Okay.
his child is downloaded Byju's application 15 days ago.
Okay.
Call them that customer and book a video session. How will you book this session?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
This side Pavan from Byju's. Your child was
I think your video is
now, ma'am.
yes.
Your child was very much interested in Byju's, sir. If Byju's, ma'am, your child has downloaded. Might be your child. Some of your child friends was using that. I hope so. She might seen their Byju's using Byju's, and she will also downloaded. If you give your precious time for 10 minutes, I'll show how Byju's will work and how you can make your child to grow better with Byju's. So, ma'am.
But sir, what happened? I don't know about this application. My child is downloaded. I don't know. I don't have any information of these things. So I think they downloaded this application by mistake. So sorry, I don't
No, no,
want
no, no,
anything from your side.
no, no. Don't think like that, ma'am. One example, can I ask you, ma'am?
Mm-hmm.
Would you like to
Yeah,
watch
sure.
movies, ma'am? Would you like to watch
I
movies, ma'am?
do. I watch. I like to watch. Yes.
Yes, right, ma'am. If I give before that, can I ask you which is your favorite movie? Any one of your favorite movie, ma'am?
But sir, it's all good.
No,
You're
no,
saying about me movie. Mm-hmm.
no. Just a minute, just a minute. Which movie you'll be your favorite movie, ma'am? Anyone?
I like to watch Titanic movie.
Okay, Titanic.
My Titanic is favorite movie.
Good, ma'am. If I give a book of Titanic and if I ask you to read, will you remember all the Titanic movie or all the 3 hours, ma'am?
Sir, I'm a teacher and I love to reading books
No,
and I love
no.
to taught teach kids.
No,
So
I'll
rather
explain.
than videos, I prefer books only.
No, I'll explain you, ma'am. If I give you a Titanic book and if will you remember all that
No,
scenes and all stuff, ma'am?
no,
Right? No, ma'am. If you
no.
watch the Titanic movie, you can remember, right, ma'am? But not only one time, you can watch it 2 to 3 times or as much as you like. N number of times you can watch. So in that way, I know you'll remember better, ma'am. Right? So Byju's also works in the
Yes.
same way, ma'am, as you're a teacher. I hope you don't like this as well, but 100% I'll assure you, ma'am, if you give a Titanic book to your child and if you ask her to read and keep it on her mind, that won't work out nowadays. I hope so, ma'am, because nowadays children are more on internet. So if you give that Titanic movie to her, and if you ask him or her to watch it, I think they'll remember it better, ma'am. Why? Because it's in 3D animated movie. They can see a number of times, not only one times. If you want to read the book, they might feel so bored enough. So if you watch that movie for 3 to 4 times, or if they like, they can watch a number of times. Those movie will be saved in our Byju's. So like that, your child might remember all the stuffs, and while
So is
preparing
it for
for
free? Is it for free, sir? Is it for free?
no, ma'am,
Is
no,
it
ma'am.
for free for my child?
No, this is not the free, ma'am, but 100% this will be less in what the academic fee you are paying to your children, ma'am.
But see, I'm a teacher, so I'm also helping my child for his study. So for now, as of now, we don't need your application because
That's also
me
good.
and my husband, we are looking over his academic.
That's the good stuff, ma'am. You will be using, now you will be helping them. But now which standard your child was studying, ma'am?
He's in 6th standard.
Sixth standard, good. If he grows up, you'll if he grows up to the 10th or intermediate, that very precious
Mhm.
time, you'll be having, see, he should study.
Pawan, what now? You have to convince me for video session. You don't have to sell me. You just call me. You have to book your video session. How will you convince?
Yeah,
Don't sell
okay,
me
ma'am.
your product.
It's gone somewhere, ma'am. Okay, sorry, ma'am. Once have a look on this. This won't charge, ma'am. This is a free of cost only. This is just a trial part, and how much per year you will be facing, you will be paying the tuition fee. It will be 50% lesser than that, sir. Than that, ma'am. Sorry, than that, ma'am. So have a look. Why don't you have a chance for your children interest also, ma'am? See, you are paying lots of fees and all. You are giving lots
Mm-hmm.
of gifts what he or she liked. So why don't you give it this chance? One small dream, one small thing. Your child had already, she has installed this app. She was eager to know what is this. So have a look on this how it will work, and this is how it will goes, ma'am. So have a look. Your child
I
was
think
that much
he
of interested,
downloaded
ma'am.
this application for fun. I think because we don't know about this application. My child might be downloaded just for fun. I think. Is it for fun, na?
No, no, not like that, ma'am. This is an education app, ma'am. Your child need not to carry huge bags for schools and all. Need not to go on bus. Need not to have lunch boxes and all. In home only, happily you can cook, and your mom or some of our grandparents can feed them with their hands. So have a look on this, ma'am. Why don't you have a chance? This is this is free only, ma'am. This is, we won't cost any, even a penny for this also.
Okay. So my next question is like, my child is a scholar. He's a scholar student, and he is scoring 98 percentage in his academic every year. Okay.
Oh my God.
So why will I
Okay, ma'am.
prefer your application? How will you sell your product?
Good evening, ma'am. And
Good evening.
that's really sounds good. Your child was scoring 98%. Which standard your child, ma'am? May I know which standard your child was studying?
He is in 7th standard right now.
Seventh standard. Good, ma'am. Uh, in seventh standard, getting 98% was not easy stuff, ma'am. Your child has a lot of memory, and getting 98% and scoring 98% in seventh standard, that's very good, ma'am. But
Mm-hmm.
what you'll be doing, ma'am? I
Sorry.
know, may what you're what you'll be working, what you
Would
do,
I?
ma'am?
Okay. So I'm a housewife.
You're an housewife. Okay, okay, right. Your son, he next year he'll be going for eighth standard. That's also good. In eighth standard also he'll be scoring 98. That's very good. And
Mm-hmm.
10th standard he'll be writing 10th standard exam, SSC examinations. So
Mm-hmm.
at that time, 98%, that I hope so that some that 199% and 100%, 99.9% also, that is more important, no, ma'am, for your child's career and all. So Byju's will give that assurance for you 100%, 99, not even 99.9%, 100%, 10 out of 10 CGPA, your child will score by using Byju's, ma'am.
So without using, he is doing very good. Okay, so you are giving me assurance like his 10th academic, 10th score,
No, yeah,
10th
ma'am.
board exam.
10th board exams. Now
I
7th
think
standard.
he's currently in 7th, and might be he will give his board exam after 3 years. So I think he will work on it and he will score good. So I don't need your product, right?
If he done 98%, that is very good, ma'am.
Hmm.
If he done 10 out of 100% also, that's also great. But all the things, as he was growing gradually day by day, he might be having some peer pressures and all, friendship goals, friendship friends and all stuff, and also that stuff also will be increasing, right, ma'am? So he might
That
not
is, I don't
concentrate
know.
on.
That is the future things. So how can you
he,
guessing these things, means friend zones and all?
no, no, he might not concentrate on studies that much, right, ma'am?
How can you
So
say this
even,
thing?
okay, right. If sorry for that, if he scores 98%
Do
in
you think
9th
that
standard,
if you're giving your product that my child is full focused and he's concentrated in his study?
he might not go outside 100%. He might concentrate on studies. He might fun to watch the videos, not only this 7th standard stuff. If we go for 10th standard, maths, physics, chemistry and
Hmm.
biology, that's very important, ma'am. Biology, see, lifelong it will, that's biology stuff will carry on in our day-to-day life. So biology, that's with the visualizations with 3D animation, I hope your child might understand better, and he will score, damn sure he might score 10 out of 10 CGPA in 10th
But
standard.
okay, it's
So
good. You're
98,
saying he. Hello.
no, he'll be understand, he can understand better by all this visualization, ma'am. Even he'll be studying nowadays, he will
So
be studying
you're giving only biology subject.
not only biology, ma'am, just I was telling the one scenario, biology, that will carry it forward all the time in our lifetime. So not only
So
biology,
you're only
physics and
providing
all.
biology subject to my kid?
No, ma'am, we'll be providing all the subjects, every subject, not only now. How many tutors your child was for your child, ma'am? How many teachers was teaching each subject?
My child is teaching with a teacher, one teacher, and he is a IIT teacher. We are hiring IIT teacher. He is
Tuition,
study with IIT teacher.
ma'am, tuition.
Yeah, he is doing tuition. The teacher is IIT. So as of now, I don't think then
Okay,
I want
okay,
your
okay.
product.
No, IIT teacher, that was good, ma'am. Even if IIT teacher, you have only one IIT teacher. Here we'll be having lots of IIT teachers, not only for one subject, for every subject we'll be providing 2 teachers for your child, ma'am.
But
If
he
one
covers
teacher,
all subject. He covers all subjects, sir. So as of now, I don't need your application. He covers all subject: physics, chemistry, maths, biology.
see, one teacher, I hope so, for all the subjects, only one teacher, I hope this doesn't work out for 100%, ma'am.
It's working. Actually, he's a scholar kid. It's working.
90 for 90%, that's super, ma'am. For 100%, I hope it won't work out for 100%. 10 out of 10 CGPA, that's not an easy matter, ma'am. All the children will be getting the 9 above 90%. Every children will get in 10th standard, ma'am. 9.8, most of the children, 100 in 100, 98% students will be getting 98% of CGPA. But that 2% carries lot of interest in your children career, ma'am. So that one teacher will be teaching all the 6 subjects, I think.
If I buy your product, you are giving me any assurance, means my child will score 100% in his 10th standard?
Definitely, ma'am, definitely. We have lots of
If he not score 100%, then what will you do?
see, ma'am, Byju's will provide all the stuff what your child need to get 100%.
So as of
But
now, I think child preparation is not means not necessary. Means Byju's the thing that if I buy, any child will got 100 percentages in 10th standard, right?
Byju's,
So my child no
almost
need
your
to work hard for his study.
Your child need not to work hard, ma'am. Your child need not to read out the books all the time. See Rama, Sita, Rama, Sita. These stuffs will not work out, no, ma'am. For 100%,
Do
your
one
child.
thing. There's a child in my neighbor. He's scoring 55 percentage. So are you giving assurance means he will score 100% in his 10th standard?
For 50% child, I 99% I can give him assurance also, ma'am. For your 98% child, 100% I can give him assurance. Why? Because that with these visualizations, 3D animated videos, your child might understand superb. Your child was 98% student now. So that's 2% definitely he'll carry it out, ma'am. That 2% definitely he'll
And what about my neighbor child?
cop up, ma'am.
How much he score? As you're giving me assurance means he will definitely score 100 percentage. So what about my neighbor child? He's scoring 50 percentage.
For 50% child, we 100% we can assure he'll be scoring 90%, ma'am. That will be damn sure. But that rest of the 10% should be on other
But one of
hand, he
my
has to
friend,
work out.
he's already enrolling in Byju's. His child, hello.
Yeah, ma'am.
So one of my friend's child, he enrolled in your application, Byju's application. He is pass out, 10th pass out, but he didn't score 100 percentage or 99%.
See, ma'am, in Byju's they'll be having a checklist as how your IIT teacher gives you the homework. Like that, there'll be daily homeworks which and daily targets, like how daily targets also, this thing, this video, this particular subject you have to see, you have to practice and all.
Pawan,
So if
I'm going to ask you next question, okay?
yeah, ma'am.
So suppose a child, he has a weak eyesight issue, okay? And reading from your tablet might be damage his eyes more. So how will you convince that parent to buy your Byju's product?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Your child was going to school right now, ma'am? Yes, right?
Yes. His school started. He's going to school daily.
Okay. He'll be having, I hope he's having eyesight problem, right, ma'am?
Yes. Actually, he suffered. His eyesight vision is weak.
Okay. No. I was very sorry for that, ma'am. But I hope before, sorry, than this eyesight issue, if your child was carrying tons and tons of weights, he might also get a back pain and lot of health issues, right, ma'am? So
Yes.
I would like to tell you,
It's not an issue.
Byju's,
Means carrying bag is not issue for my child.
it might be not an issue now, ma'am, but definitely after growing up, there might be an issue. And that lunch boxes, and he was going to school with the buses and all. That's not good things nowadays. We are watching a lot of issues happening on roads as well as in schools with food and all. I hope schools also won't get that much of good food how you will be preparing in home and feeding your child. So I would like to suggest you to get a Byju's and keep your child at home and feed him daily without lots of tons and tons of weight. Feed him properly, healthily, and make him to study. That
so what is your salary expectation?
Salary expected. I came through. Sorry, I have gone through. Or while applying, I have gone through that application form. I have seen that 7 lakhs plus 3 lakhs per annum I have gone through, ma'am. Is it so? I was comfortable with that only, ma'am.
So what is your expectation? 7 plus 3, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Means 10 lakh you're expecting. 10 LPA.
After joining on my work, I might expect a little bit, if that too my work was up to the mark.
So suppose if you're not selected in this round, you're rejected. So what is your plan B?
Not a problem, ma'am. I'll be on the say as I was interested in business and entrepreneurship and all the sales and this business stuff. I'll search for the next one, and I also 100% I can tell that if there is a second chance for applying in Byju's also, I'll apply it once again and I'll try better, ma'am, than this.
Okay. So Pavan, I'm giving you 3 scenario, means kind of you can set by your priorities. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So work-life balance, money, and career growth.
Okay. I have to choose anyone, right, ma'am?
You can set according to your priorities. Work-life balance, career, money, and career growth. Set according to your priority level.
Work-life balance, career growth, and then money, ma'am.
Money is your last priority.
If I balance the work properly and if I grow day by day, I can get automatically, I'll be getting money also, right, ma'am?
Okay, Pavan, I got your point. So now we are moving to your feedback session. Okay.
Right, ma'am.